Max, do you want to go outside for a walk? You want to go out for a walk, walk, walk? Let's open up the door. Oopsies. Oh, that was awkward. All right. Step outside. There we go. We'll close the door. Yeah. Nice and sunny out here, isn't it, honey? All right. We'll lock the door, okay? We're going to go for a nice walk. Yes. Good job. Good job, good job. All right. So, we're going to go down the stairs. I'm going to open up this. Where would you like to go? Let's go down here? Let's go down here. Oh, such a nice day. What do you think? Nice day? Warm day? Good job. Good job. Good job. Let's go. Oopsies. There you go, Max. Go for a walk with Mom? You know what? I want to go this way. There. Now you're nicely centered. Let's go for a walk. A nice day. Nice day for a walk. Ready. Go. Here. Hi. You got a back for me? Back. What do you got? Back. Okay. We're just gonna wait for the light to change. The light gonna change? Yes. Good. Uh-oh. There's wind. It's windy. Is it windy, Max? Oh, you're always nervous about the roads. Let's keep walking. Good job. Good job. Good job, Max. I know. Where are all the peoples?